What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hannah, and if you're not new, then welcome back. Today I'm going to just start a little productive vlog slash productive night in my life. I just got back from the beach literally less than an hour ago. It was a 8-hour drive from Myrtle Beach to Virginia. I figured I would pick up the camera and vlog like unpacking, kind of giving my life back in order, because one of my biggest tips that I have for you if you are new to traveling or if you like to travel is to unpack as soon as you get home from your trip, because that's when you're like literally will feel the most motivated. I know, well, like unmotivated but also like motivated, because if you wait too long or like you do it the next day or say you'll do it later on, you won't do it. Like, I have literally ended up living out of my suitcase for weeks until I run out of clothes based off of I'll do it later. So my number one tip is to get home and literally like unpack your suitcase as fast as possible, like unpack everything as much as possible, because it'll honestly just set you up for success. And along with that, think about your future self when you're packing your suitcase at your hotel or at your house or at like wherever you are to come home, to make it easier on yourself. So I'll show you how I set my suitcase up, but basically I just put like dirty clothes on one side and then clean clothes on the other, so I know like what I can put away and what immediately goes in the hamper. You don't have to sit there and try to like sniff things or sort through it or literally like wash everything. You just will make it so much easier on your future self if your past self does their job. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and unpack and get ready. I work tomorrow at 8 a.m. Unfortunately, I don't really have a day of rest like everyone else in my house does, but I kind of knew that going into it, and I did that to myself, so it's okay. Okay, like I was saying, I divide my suitcase by dirty clothes versus clean clothes, so I know all of these clothes are clean and can literally just be taken out of my suitcase, folded, and then re-put in my dresser, whereas all these dirty clothes I can literally just take out and throw in my hamper over there, and I made it so much easier on myself. Now this is all empty. This literally took me like 2 minutes to put away, so I need to zip it up and put it out in the hallway to bring downstairs. Next, I'm gonna tackle this bad boy, which has shoes. It has a bunch of random stuff in it because I had to throw it in at last minute in the morning. So it has like my makeup, hair products, face products, shoes, so on and so forth. Now that I've made a mess on my floor, I'm gonna put my shoes in my closet and put all this stuff away in the bathroom. And then I have to hang up these clothes as well. I got some packages. This is like a miscellaneous bag, so I kind of like stuffed everything in there. This goes in the dirty clothes. I'm gonna start on my shoes next. Okay, the majority of this stuff goes in my bathroom, but there are some things that I know, like the makeup bag goes here, I think, yeah. Not my toothbrush though.
I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise.
This is exactly why I put it in a plastic bag. Here's the shampoo bottle, like, exploded everywhere.
Even though we can't afford them, I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna lose you now. Will you stay even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down.
Okay, now I need to unpack my backpack with all of my electronics and books and stuff, and this is arguably my least favorite part of unpacking because I just never know where I really get things from, so I don't know where to put them back to, and I just feel like it ends up being a huge mess, and stuff has sand all over it. Sick.
I figured out, 'cause everything else in my life without you would be boring, and we'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down.
I do not know what to do with all this stuff. I don't even know where I got, like, literally any of it from. Okay, I can start with at least the easy stuff. Cords. Okay, everything is put away. I need to find my wallet because my credit cards and stuff are all out. But everything has been put away. And I feel better, and I know that I'll thank myself tomorrow because I won't have to deal with this tomorrow now. And it won't be, like, haunting me, and I won't be looking for things. Even though it's a pain in the butt initially, and that's not what I wanted to do when I got home. I literally just wanted to, like, lay in bed and go to sleep and, like, watch videos. I will thank myself tomorrow for that. I want to open up these packages because I'm super excited for them. This one's been opened, so that's interesting. It looks like a dog opened it. But yeah, I'm excited for them, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Not sponsored, obviously. I paid for this stuff with my own money, but just figured I'd show you what I got so that I can throw away the packaging as well. A bikini top. Is anyone surprised? So if you've seen a bunch of my previous vlogs, I have this, like, iconic bright green bikini from Roxy. It's Hailey Bieber's line at Roxy, and this is someone's hair that is simply not mine. Foul. Ew. Hailey Bieber has a line at Roxy with a bunch of really cute bikinis and have a bright green set, so I tried it on, I wore it for a bit, and I really, really, really loved it, so I ordered the top in purple. It also fit me really well. I have, like, a bigger chest size, so whenever I find bikinis that fit me and are flattering and don't make me feel uncomfortable, I buy them in a lot of colors. So I bought this purple one. I didn't buy the bottoms because I can just wear black bottoms with it, but if I want to buy the purple, I can invest at a different time. It's just kind of expensive at the moment, but I think it's so cute, and I'm excited to wear it by the pool. It didn't come in time for the beach. That's what I was hoping it'd come in time for, because my sister also has the bright green one, so we had, like, this picture in mind where I'd be wearing the purple one, she'd be wearing the bright green, but obviously that did not end up happening. The next bag that I have is from Nasty Gal. I've actually never ordered stuff from Nasty Gal, so I'm intrigued to see how it turns out. The website, though, just kind of seems similar to the Misguided website in a lot of ways, so I feel like maybe they're sister websites. Does anyone know the answer to that? Iconic. This first shirt that I got is this Tokyo t-shirt. I love the colors, which is why I got it. I guess I'm really into bright green lately, I don't know, but I got in a size large, which seems like it may be kind of wide, so I'll have to try it on, but if it is, it's fine. I wanted it oversized anyways, which is why I got a large. That's so cute. Next shirt that I got is this AC/DC t-shirt dress. It's not going to be a t-shirt dress on me because I think it's a size small, which is fine. They didn't have any mediums or larges left, but honestly I wanted it to fit like an oversized t-shirt rather than a t-shirt dress. But it's this really cute, like, beige tan AC/DC shirt. It's just super oversized, and I felt like it'd be cute with a pair of jean shorts or even, like, biker shorts and a pair of Converse. I have a vision. No, I was just really excited for those things to come in, and I was hoping they'd come in time for the beach, but they didn't, so now I can just wear them here and figure out a way to dress them up, you know? It'll be cute. I'm excited for them. All right, now I think I'm gonna go take a shower and hang out for the rest of the night. I just want to lay in bed, and I did the hard part. I did the unpacking part. I did my job, so now I just want to lay in bed and chill out. Okay, while things are slow at work, I'm gonna attempt to tackle this laundry mess because that is a lot of clothes if you cannot tell. Also, I'm still wearing my pajama pants because that is just the vibe for today. I have no justification for it, nor do I really feel like I need one, but these aren't normal pants, these are pajama pants, and I'm living for it.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done.
I just went a little wild on Amazon and put a bunch of things in my cart. I literally came on here for a candle wick trimmer, which I did add to my cart, but then I decided that I also needed a Delicate's laundry bag to throw in the washing machine because I am trying to wash my bikinis and realized that basically I don't have anything to wash them in and I don't want them to get destroyed, so I put 2 in my cart for that. And then I wanted to get blackhead pore strips, but I've been seeing this on TikTok and a bunch of influencers lately promoting the blackhead vacuum, so I kind of want to try it. This one has really good reviews, and I'll end up like letting you guys know how I like that because I feel like it's gonna make a difference. I get blackheads like all around my nose and on my chin, but nowhere else really on my face, so I want to try to limit that because it honestly really drives me nuts. I know it's not super noticeable, but I notice it, and I just like will literally sit in the mirror and pick at it, and it makes my face really dry. So I'm gonna get this and invest. It's only $25, which isn't honestly that bad. So I'll let you guys know how I end up liking it. And update on that product, it came in the mail today and it bruised my face. So now I have a nice little soul patch. My tip would be read the directions first and use a low setting or you'll end up like me.
It's easier said than done. That guy trying to lift you up, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling.
Just got off work and I'm gonna head to Wegmans to pick up some healthy groceries because I haven't been eating really healthy lately and it's been making me feel like super gross. So I want to just go and pick up some like avocados and everything to get back on my routine. I swear to God, if I don't start eating healthy, I'm gonna be 300 pounds by the end of quarantine. If you know me, you know that I love working out and I really like staying in shape. That's just a hobby to me. And I just can feel myself like, I just feel gross. So I need to get back on track and go get some healthy food from Wegmans. And I will show you guys the haul on the way back. I'm obviously not going to take this camera into Wegmans because of everything going on. But I will do a little haul when I come back home.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you get all your help?
Lettuce. Yes, I'm doing a haul. Chopped lettuce. Bananas. We have milk. We have meat. This is turkey, ground turkey. Then we have turkey. We have these dairy-free ice cream sandwiches. We have some Halo Top dairy-free peanut butter ice cream, and cookies and cream ice cream. Brownie brittle. I think it's supposed to be healthy for you. I don't know if it is. I got it from the health aisle though. Then I'm gonna try these cauliflower tortilla sea salt chips. Avocados. Brussels sprouts. I bought some, what are these called? English muffins. I bought a magazine because I thought that the cover looked really cool.
Whoa.
You didn't know that. Ooh, they don't smell good. They don't smell good. Salt tastes good. Oh, those actually aren't bad. They taste a lot better than they smell. Just plug your nose when you eat it. Try it. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog.
Don't do it.
Be good with like guacamole.
It tastes like tortilla chips.
Yeah. Tastes good. I'm gonna go ahead and end off this vlog here because I kind of feel like I have my life a little bit more back together since I got home from the beach. I did my laundry, cleaned my room, caught up on work stuff, got some healthy groceries, so on and so forth. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram because I run a bunch of like polls and questionnaires and stuff like that on there sometimes for video ideas. So if you're not following me there, go ahead and follow me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it.